Alright guys, I'm back with another defective piece of the Plen 2 robot. And in this one, what I'm going to show you is, although you can still fit all the pieces in there, the biggest issue is that when you do put these things in, there's no way to fasten them into the main chassis of the machine. So even though they're in, they can still move, and that's not a good thing. So what would be smart is to have a hole here, and you could screw this part in, and by this part I mean where there's a hole here. Hopefully you guys can see there's a hole here, so you can fasten that into the chassis so that when it's put in, it's fastened and stays in place. So yeah, that's the other reason why this part is defective, and the same thing goes here. As you can see, there are no holes. There are no holes in this part either, so that you can fasten these in. Anyway, hope this helps you guys, and I will see you in the next video.